What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So my people, we have Rosealee a crash out over GX. You see me I say, can watch what I go on, my people. GX fly out as we already know. Seen? But GX go pose with a woman, my people. You see me I say? So me I go share that with Uno. Me I go share Rosealee after say Rosealee come tell big lie on the man say the man don't take care of youth them like him no left nothing with the youth them and fly out the youth them they even know say him fly out or something. You know what I mean? And that's what you call bitter baby mother. And my people, we all know say the internet era, Rosealee them are internet personalities. You see me I say most of the time we know say them do things just to get little clout. So me I wonder if this is all about getting clout or she bad mind and wicked. Because even Ivany have some things to say about it. Ivany I say Rosealee want to turn everybody mind against GX. You see me I say? It's like this from people. Typically when a baby mother and a baby father left, most likely the baby mother don't want to see the baby father amount to nothing at all. She want to see him as the worst. You know what I mean? So it look like that Rosealee I tried, you know, my people. I will have some other things, so me not go too much in the inch of my people. I go just get in the thing, you know what I mean? So I could just kick it off, you know, and get in it.
So you know the service extremely so. I mean that show no. I go up on somebody else. Tia, come clean up blessing for me. The lip glass. The service been done from morning. So you know the service not so 100. But this man, she all cuss my sister. You can't class my sister because my sister literally has a natural big body. Okay, my sister, my baby sister, who is 19 years of age, where you come from your cuss, have a natural big body. Natural big body my sister have. I see her class my sister make a video about me. Natural big body my sister have. Natural, emphasize. Natural. You can't come by my little sister no day, no time. Me I load up your something. Okay, right now if a filter move off of your face, we see whole like all them. You bleach, go your bleach come and your face still can't reach. Your body need to go back to the mark. Can't have a house either, she rent it, and also she own a foreign the Pauline. What you say? Ten no need to have a house. I wanna say my artist and him full of woman, him can go any woman yard. He no need no house. Now she say a big artist and him woman want him, and the things them our house lean just like her mouth, and she swear thing she cute with them big teeth there. She swear thing she cute. See her, you know? You swear think you're cute, K, you're not cute. You don't cute, the doctor hates you. True, me start answering, you think I say me I look for the picture it now load. Hurry up and load. Hurry up and load. Thank you. You swear things say you look good. You swear things say do body I go make you feel like you not top girl. Me not go live good because she not arrest me. Me and Kay not going to live good because she in my business PP clock morning, noon and night. And you don't look good. Then this look good? This look good? More know if this really look good. Me say me a zoom up and me a say You can't see the wobble there, you can't see the water wave, I see. She live for my name rent free. Be a chop. Be a chop and bubble gum. Pop. Only thing left here do a juke body so. You don't look good. You come by and come more about who me and talk to from who me and talk to. Only thing you need to worry about is Which one? One second, I'm gonna give blessing to Tia. Yeah, your body flat. Your body flat. And I saw the body feel look. If you have look a plumb to it. Look a plumb to it. You can't force for you look fat. Pay a side pose. Pay a side pose for me. You know me not have a big body, but me know if you make it look big in you turn sideways and push it out a little bit. You know then look a pose when you turn sideways if you push it out a little bit. I pay that you do. And when you do turn on your door, want turn on for too long. Cara, don't mama block you, girl. Don't mama block you. You know come on my platform, so why are you here if I can't talk what I want to talk? Don't make my moderator give a fat mute. Because when she lift my name whole last week, I don't see none of you over there chat off with a big sour mouth. So why if me want to lift on her name tonight to make me feel better about myself? You hear me? I walk a class, I bring her down, you where she bring me down? Then me simply tell her, so this is why she will leave me alone, because what? Her karma not will take 2 weeks? You bully people go and she bully people come. Nothing about you not cute, King. Nothing about you. If you're a girl married too much time, you're a sad big woman. I need to leave young girl alone. I have 2 beautiful kids. I live with my kids. You get up every single day and me still not say nothing wrong if your son there when father there. But you literally friend the woman and you still not take the look boy and spend that time. You not spend no quality time as a mother. You don't know how to do this and beat me. You don't know nothing about quality time. When last you hold your baby them and hug them in your arms and make them spend look quality time with you? When last? When last you carry them out on a date? When last you dress them up? When last you hold them so and do this? I love you. When last? When last you make your kids them feel love? You're there Jamaica word about man. Man where boy you say, oh a artist, big artist. Big artist so wanna go want him kind of cute and him nice. When last? When last? When last you make your kids them feel love? You feel like talking up, get up every day and talk on the phone? Make them feel loved? Use nothing boy on a top, mother. Your daughter supposed to watch you every single day and disgrace and distasteful behavior them where you company with every day. Your daughter supposed to shame you. When last you do this? Nothing. Right now, I wish nothing wrong with what, but right now, I wish I can't wait for such man organize himself when he can spend time with his kids. Them nothing wrong with you. Give yourself a break. We all mothers need a break, but your break is forever. You don't think you don't want no pitney around you. You don't want no picnic because you feel like some picnic go stop it from watching man. And now when you move from France come to Jamaica, you still can't watch a man. The man take a girl on TikTok right in your yike. How you feel? And if you so move on, that boy could have never post a girl right now and I come class the girl. If I feel some type of way, I come off a TikTok, I not make TikTok see it how I feel. But you come in a box and bring down the girl. One more rose chat. You come in a box and call the girl mockers. You're bright and out about how everybody knows she a mockers for a long time and how 10 love mockers. You should have...
Some people tell me in the comment section, Rochelle RK. You know what I mean? To all of the man them, Rochelle RK. Because me not lie still you know people. And Rochelle me say you know, Rochelle cute still you know people and nice you know. Me I tell you no, believe you. Rochelle cute and nice man. You see me? K strong up and you know what I mean? But K them are not my type. I love K still you know, but K them are not my type. You see me? Rochelle them are my type of people. I make me know what I think, I can watch some more.
Shame to say that. K, cause if 10 love mockers, your mothers are mockers. You should have shame to say that. Why would you say that? Why would you say that? Why would you say the man love mockers? I'm rather be a mockers than a man tell me say I'm all big. Me rather be a mockers than one man tell me say all because that can't rub out. You are mama mockers. I'm rather be a second baby mother as long as my kids is getting taken care of. Me could ever be the last baby mother, so that is not a flex. When I call my second baby mother, I don't want me to feel go ball. As long as my pin them I get taken care of, that's all that matters. They don't miss a payment when he gets paid every month. And anytime when I see my class, man come bring him down, and when him don't send no money to them. That's the only time I go come bring him down. Because I helped you to put you in the position and your dead ass I get paid every month, so I'm not argue with a fee their money. Me not gonna be decent because me not gonna reel and create a rumpus like she for what? And that is on that. I can't tell me to bring him down once if he not the right time picking them up. Here bring down him again. If he take care of them two picking here. When she come off of my name, I come off of him name. That's all that matters. Once him I do right by kids them come. Me no want him, me been left him, and me been move on with my life. So anything you want to other than from my kids them, not nothing to do with me. So when you say you want a man and you move on with your life, but me forgot to me see one screen my card with 10 say you already got cheat too. So me now go blame him on that part because we been known say you're about your front. So when 10 say it, we no one ever lie. Because he did told us that you go cheat on him too. So I cheat for. That's why you have to see me and leave me alone. Take a yan on a top girl. K daughter is a big girl and she's embarrassed of her mom. She's embarrassed of her mother. I'm not ask Christ, Jesus, or in disciples. They're crazy. I get up every day. I don't know if one couple days I left my opinion them fan with my torment. So imagine you get up every day argue. And you can't have your opinion them in your presence. As a big woman. And you come here every day feel like so what I do with my old is a problem to you. You talk about my marriage when I've been in it for all long. A lot of people stay in a some marriage. You say, when a cup run over, you leave a marriage. Not when a boy or a girl tell us if you leave. When a cup run over, thank you guys. And when a cup run over, you left a marriage. Don't make nobody force if you left when you don't want left. I left when I wanted to leave. And that look you can't tell me about. But you got through so much marriage, Kay. So many marriage you got through, Kay. And you couldn't even make that one your last. I don't care what her, I don't care. That not nothing to do with me. But as I say, as a mother, you need to go spend time with your kids. It's Christmas. Make sure say you book a ticket, figure visit your kids and have it two of them one place. Nicole, nothing wrong with that. Wait till you chip. When you're ready for chip and leave, baby, that's all that matters. And when you're ready for left, you left. I know when nobody want. So they make them call you Yamed, and that the Bible says for better or for worse. You're supposed to stay in it, even at the worst part about it. But me no know how God said a part there because me could stay in it. It was too worse. No better than it, I get no better, just worse. You see me? So many times you're married. You couldn't make the last one you work. Last week, yes, in my name about how me got girl yard beat up girl, and that was never the case, baby girl. I try me not tell her what really happened. Because me live, me don't know when me ever live to see a girl want fight me, I not come out a car to slap a girl in them face. Me not see which girl want come shine phone light for me, I not come out a car and to lick you in your face. But that was not my intention. Me never go nowhere to fight a soul. But you take it up on your head cake as a fear business, right? And look there. Not even 1 week. Not even 1 week, eh? The man sent for a bad girl. In a music video, she'll tell the girl say I'm all tight. And he gonna left the girl for she. Left you for she. Not even a week, K. It was just last week you were angry. I'm gonna tell you this again, K. You see, every time you come for me, it's gonna get worse and worse. I can't tell you that. Because me's a girl where you make me ball, you's a girl who make me go up on my knee and ask God to remove you out of my life, to how you make my life and happy doing my pregnancy them. You want woman to tell God, say God, remove that girl here, because you make my life a living hell. And God don't play about me. As wrongful as you see me do things for you, one thing when me lock off the light here, God no play about me. Can hear me cries them. And you, when me see you sit down upon my name, girl, and drag me to the ground, me I say, no man, something in and something. This, you have a different level of hate for me. Ain't no way this is regular. It's not working. I don't think it's working. Every day you live for me. Last week you whole of last week. You make up all your story in your head about my situation right at man. Nothing no go so guys. Until I'm ready to tell exactly what went down, then I'm my story to tell. It's my story to tell and Kay make up her own story about what happened. Last week me hear Kay sit down and make up her story about what took place in my life. Like she know everything. The girl sit down and make up in her head what took place with me and the girl. And nothing no go so. If in my relationship though, you can't bother in my life. If you scroll you bring me down. She full of depths. Okay, full of depths of foreign. Now me have the strength for her tonight. Me get my YouTube paycheck today. Anybody who's a YouTuber, you get paid on the 20. Today I got paid on YouTube, so I can talk without getting any gifts on TikTok because I got paid on YouTube today. So me have time for my hand. Thank you very much. Yeah, me have time today. I'm trying to load up these things that I got about her. Your bills is killing you, Afarin.
I beg over here.
Bills are killing you, Afarin.
Beg
them a load up now.
Ringa. Me not get nothing to get, me not nothing to get no pay. Beg on
It's a load, man.
I beg.
It's a load.
Beg on something.
Them a load up, but when me click on them, I say it a do. It's a load, man. Me I tell you now, full of bills, Afarin. Bills is plenty. And you come over here every day before you play too much, you worry about me. I am great. I am fine. We might not reach where I reach in a life, but when it comes on to bills, babes, my bills them paid. Me not owe nothing a friend and me too look credit card them when me not ram for use and pay back a month time and me still not owe because my credit is phenomenal. My credit great. Oh look here, blessing. Oh look here. Oh look here, blessing skin. Oh look here. Oh look here. Jesus Father God. Jesus Father God. Jesus Christ Father God. Tia! Do!
Ringa, because we're telling
you Ringa. Come look here.
Chat about the screen. Beg on something, chat me a bed. Beg me over your bed.
See there? Okay, you have court date by your house. Court, Kayona, you have court date by your house, girl. Not to be a mortgage you can't pay. You can't even pay your mortgage. Look at you. Look at you. You cannot even pay your mortgage. Kayona Jackson. You cannot, your company every day come to about, my light bill was not, and I couldn't pay, and I can't, my light bill couldn't pay. And then I bill my light bill up, make it reach to the sucker. But you will not come telling me the details of what happened. Yeah. Look there, you can't even pay your mortgage. You own the parallel.
People, let me know what you think in the comment section. Yo, me love a girl who can't read, look a bit this man. That's why I tell you say me love Rochelle, you know. Not really can't read, no that's me don't know what to say. But Rochelle say K have depths. Depths, you know. Not depths, you know, depths. A foreign depths. You see me? So boy, me not lie still, you know, my people. K need to evaluate her life. You see me? She no young girl, she a big woman. You see me? So she needs to reevaluate her life. Go and back a foreign and get back in your career. You see me? I say go on back on the grind and go work hard and straighten out your life. You see me? I say we got foreign for a better life. When you got foreign, that means you work, yeah, I say. You see me? If you work hard like Chinese once you reach a foreign because I goal you want to achieve. You see it? until you achieve the goal you're supposed to work hard. When you come back to Jamaica for mama, where you come back to Jamaica for? The relationship done, you know, touch back a foreign man and go back in your career. You see me I say? And just know say yo, you love man one side in your career if a man pop up in your life, I saw it go. But the high we don't have no time for idle, you know. In our age group, I no idle time, a grind time. You see me I say, people, make me know what you think.
Now you come over here every day about me.
Chat about the screenshot.
You come over here every single day. You left from Ringa, Jamaica, swear things will go better. You have me have car note, me have car insurance, me have my light bill, me have my water, me have my Wi-Fi. Me have so many bills to be paid. You think me will come over here and come over here every single day?
One W.
And try to take up people business for my head and me and try to look it over here every day?
Use the double. Rika, big up yourself. Chat, use the double, chat. When you use the double, big me over here.
I'm not do kids. So I don't want to anybody who I mention our son black them. Because I don't want to call kids name over here.
Be a big something.
Me I say use not a top mother. That me I tell them.
Big me a big.
Go get your refund for your body because your body's spoiled in a real life. Go get your refund for your body care because it's spoiled in a real life. Your body don't look good. I don't know. You see digital been done. Anybody there clearing that knows that digital been done for morning. So you know the service extremely so. I mean that sure no. I go on somebody else. Tia, come clean up blessing for me. Elite glass. The service been done from morning, so you know, the service not so 100. But this morning, she allowed cause my sister. You can't class my sister because my sister literally has a natural big body. Okay, my sister, my baby sister, who is 19 years of age, where you come from your cause, have a natural big body. Natural big body my sister have. I see her class, my sister make a video about me. Natural big body my sister have. Natural, emphasize. Natural. You can't come by my little sister no day, no time. Me I load up your something. Okay, right now if a filter move off of your face, we see you all like all them. You bleach, come and your face still can't reach. Your body need to go back to the mark. Can't have a house either, rent it, and also she own a foreign the Pauline. What you say? Ten no need to have a house. I wanna say my artist and him full of woman, him can go any woman yard. He no need no house. Now she say a big artist and him woman want him and the things them. See you know? You still think you're cute, KK, you're not cute. You don't cute, the doctor hates you. True, I start answering you think it. I say I look for the picture it now load, hurry up and load. Hurry up and load. One with this really look good. I say I zoom up and I say, you can see the wobble there, you can see the water wave, I see. She live for my name rent free, be a chop and bubble gum. Pop. Only thing left here do a juke body so. You don't look good. I come by and come more about who me and talk to from who me and talk to. Only thing you need to worry about is which one? One second, I'm going to give blessing to Tia. Yeah, your body flat. Your body flat. And I saw the body feel look. If you have look plumb to it. You can't force for you look fat. Pay side pose for me. You know me not have a big body, but me know how to make it look big in a turn sideways and push it out a little bit. You know they look pose when I turn sideways and push it out a little bit. I pay that you do. And when you do turn on your door, one turn on for too long. Cara, don't mama black you, girl. Don't mama black you. You know, come on my platform, so why are you here if I can't talk what I want to talk? Don't make my moderator give a fat mute. Because when she lift my name whole last week, I don't see none of you over there chat off with no big sour mouth. So why if me want to lift on her name tonight to make me feel better about myself? You hear me? I walk a class, I bring her down, you where she bring me down? Then me simply tell her, so this is why she will leave me alone because what? Her karma not will take 2 weeks. You bully people go and she bully people come. Nothing about you not cute, King. Nothing about you. If you're a girl married too much time, you're a sad big woman. And if you leave young girl alone, I have 2 beautiful kids. I live with my kids. You get up every single day, and me still not say nothing wrong if your son there when father there. But you literally friend the woman, and you still not take look where I spend that time. You not spend no quality time as a mother. You don't know how to do this and beat me. You don't know nothing about quality time. When I say wall.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll make you move on to the next.
Your baby them and hug them in your arms and make them spend a little quality time with you. When last you carry them out on a date? When last you dress them up? When last you hold them so muckers for a long time and 10 love muckers? You should have shame to say that. Okay, because if 10 love muckers, your mothers are muckers.
And don't left not even $5. Toto and Munch and Chantal and Barbara it's relative. It's me and them is friend, my pitney. You don't like the truth. Toto and my friend and Munch and my friend. All them in my head that tell me things to come talk on the net. I'm run my program and them know that. They are my friends. They only can voice up their own opinion. I must not listen to what they say. All them are gonna know if I don't tell them. I never tell Toto that. When me there Akim yard yesterday, I was on a phone call with Chantal. And I said to her, did you know that your father was leaving for Jamaica? She said no. What are we at the flight? I said, tell her no. Yeah, fly out on Monday morning, you don't left that you put them go to school. You fly out. You're careless. What you have? Not even the coins when you cut up over you don't use that mind, you pitney. Me and you argue about hacking about fake bag and fake blood clot shoes. I'm still here get the challenge. So pussy boy. Show the one where you buy. I'm still I get the blood clot challenge. Show the one that you buy. Because through Vani baby father worthless boy, she talk about worthless friend like you. You don't mind pitney. Show the one where you buy. Yeah, show the one where you buy. Carrying a child to school. Carrying a child to school. I'm sure them go in at the schoolyard. No make no sense, GX. If I don't pay them school fee, them can't enter class. If I don't buy them uniform, them can't enter class. If I don't come over here, come back shoes and bag and book, them can't enter class. So pussy, GX. And so pick the enter school gate. You only can walk with them and show off my protocol and my legacy and my investment. What is yours? Show off your investment. Because the girl I'm over here on alright, but start touching on my blood clot business, you know. And I see someone around me spitting on a blood clot face. Because I'm a serious blood clot girl, you know. What are your investment towards the youth them? Long tongue jokes with your tongue want scrape with my body peg. What your investment? Oh, I carry my kids to school. You ever buy them one uniform yet? Come here. Stinking woman of the purple frock. Come out for this blood clot, but you kiss your teeth. Move. Me not look friend, me create them. Move. Suck pussy GX. You ever buy a uniform yet? You argue about people buy fake shoes. What the one them you buy get you them? Show the one that you buy. Me still get a challenge. You can't do it all now. You skip from but you go ooh and bear. My time for tell you say you shit up more than everybody's coming. My YouTuber them a batty man. And running in your jeans. I remember my finger in your body. I tell that I'm ready. We now go back down in a that. Come to the forefront. We have to talk about your youth them where you're not mine. Where you left Jamaica and don't left not even $10 blood clot dollar. How can a father book a flight and don't enjoy and pick eat? That we are talking about. How can your big pussy friend with a big clit book a flight and ice stand a baby feeding? Ask her. Since I know my business and all this and shit. How can your big pussy friend book a flight and flight and can't get him baba tea? Ask her if she ever do it yet. I want to ask Vany, have you ever booked a flight and ice not get him baba tea? Ask her. Cause she alone see mine eyed straight. Cause she alone want him. She don't know what child maintenance is. So she encourage you for don't mind your one them neither. Use a cruff. You don't even want a bed. Bad mind for what? You talk about fake blood clot shoes and the polo tracksuit where we got blood clot foreign. Fake. The white boot we have a pair of the fake. I pay fake clothes where you got friend you talk about fake clothes. As she a 2 times and have run out till him drop. Go mind your youth. So pussy boy, go mind your youth. Go and mind your youth. Go mind your youth. Every day they on internet I follow them up. You have them over. You have them picture over here for beg. For your leverage. You're pathetic. Dirty Nyam fuck jokes, you're very pathetic. Me not beg so. You use to pity them for beg no blood clot. Chankro. How you have 5 sub, you can buy them? How you get them? It's stinking jakes. You're pathetic. You have your 5 blood clot sub, you like you buy them. Can you not even have a bread for no say leave to put them off of the net and look your own. You use to put them name for beg and you not mind them. All the while we mean in an argument to pit the maintenance. The last time I give a bitch a cheer, cause Barbara run there same hungry and you eat up with sub pussy alia. And that's why I give her a cheer. Cause when I put the hungry, I'm mad. Worse when I never in a range. I'ma say, see me with girl, you're ugly with a dirty button in your blood clad face. Dirty boy. Me could have blood clad one uno. I'm jealous about blood clad uno. I want to find the blood clad picture on my phone. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. Good name, my daddy had a pussy clad ear. I know mind a fucking pitney. Who go on a blood clot fight that don't ensure the kids go to school? The first thing first, when I land up with a blood clot, you never call your fucking pitney. I say, my daughter, I'm there in the place, you know. I think that she ever see that somebody tell her. Mommy, what are you daddy fly? Go suck your mama, dead dog. The first thing, the father land. You up on the line with the 2 big pussy girl them. You never call a youth and say, I'm not there in the place my daughter, look on a view ya. As a land. You live your rich life with 2 big pussy fuck out girl. Ivan not gonna tell her come in the park because she does not get child support. Cause the boy will fuck she and breed she eat she from the baby hatch. Till I know it alive. The boy now look on her stinking blood clot. I never used to say, oh Ice, I'm gonna take it to your dad. I never used to say that yet. Never. The boy now look on she now the pitney. And she want everybody go touch go mind the pitney. A clothes she look at you for a laugh. Cause the body now use she again. And the last time she's gonna feel a big bumble with a big blood clot clit, or if a breast nipple and a big pussy, or what so we can use fist and fuck. That never gonna work. She chop on you. And I ride your clout. And I'm gonna get things.
some people tell me what they think in the comment section because yo, every time Rosalie I cuss GX, me hear him I cuss the man say, yo, you're ugly, Ray. Yo, you say beauty, my people, me hear that saying, you say beauty is in the eye of the beholder. You say me I say you have man who way uglier than GX. But me just feel like see a jealousy and control why Rosalie always I say the man ugly and try to point out certain things, you know what I mean, for people don't like the man, you know what I mean, bitter baby mother behavior. You understand me, I say my people, because remember, Rose body squeeze up, you know, Rose body squeeze right up. You see me, I say, so why you cuss the man about him ugliness when you have physical defects too? You see me, I say, but the people we say GX pan alive and GX I say left money with the youth them. Rosalie I say him no left no money with the youth them. You understand me? Rosalie pan a level still with people. Mother say she have rights to want this GX and cuss him out because him hurt her. You know what I mean? And only a hurt person behave them type of way or Rosalie behave. You understand me I say? But my people, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. We'll watch some more. I soon show the GX and him woman, my people.
And I full up a lie. You're bad man. Are you bad man? The boy can see the boy and gonna not go on for your suck pussy girl. Lick up Bativan, are you bad man, GX? Can not go on for your yeah. But not use you. I don't know how your rent a blood clot pay. Go suck your mama. When the blood clot, stinking boy, when him tongue long like panty shield, come over here, come have on the mask, come full on the whole palette, them when you sit down and chew and triple no subject some man, bumbo clot pitney. Who know? Who know? I'm a woman not just a man bumbo clad pitney. Can them not walk nowhere? Now look out over your so cool. You have platform over here. All the way come here, what do you come here? Yeah, sure, I carry them gas girl. I carry them gas girl. I at them with them homework. You look waste boy, you know, waste of a shit house. Lick up back the toilet bowl, clean them out, boy. I carry them gas girl. I at them with them homework. I wake up a morning time and look up a breakfast to them. You look up a breakfast, get picnic suck pussy boy. How much time trying to wear are you from gas school dirty because you don't want to wash it? Because you're so caught up in playing gear. I play a game you play. Until I come up my phone and make me fall out. Don't make me fall out. Today matter don't get me irritable. Relax now, man. I don't know feel nothing of chat. I don't know feel nothing of chat. When a big pussy boy want to tell him back and blood clot like them, when I go say, I don't want to tell me not when me attack out of my mouth. Every time come here, lie. never go in a motherfucking store and buy 3 suit of clothes, give you a bumper clap, put them head for your work pussy. You know, pick the blood clot mind that come chat of a little sub pussy mouth. All I do a wash and cook. And I like me say. And the world know it. And somebody got them not like me over here, I say I take care of that type. He's a good father. He must spend money. Him don't care then, and him bumper clot don't care now. Cause me don't care. I wanna see it and not talk. How the fuck if you book a blood clot flight? I got a fine Wednesday. And you put them, you don't get put them dollar for lunch money Monday morning. You know, tell them say I leave. Them ask me for you, I say me don't know. I hear them for ear upon the net and they're your fucking kids. And somebody for tell them are your kids them. Wicked stinking about people in the head. And people that you don't like the truth because you're liar. And that's why I left you. Because you're like evil and wicked in a blood clot. And just a fucking, and I hate pretenders. Come on, pretend for the shit with nobody. You're fake and lie. I walk on and you look me anybody walk on and the girl wanna like me, you walk and eat up me like shit. For them like you, for class me. The girl about social media wanna like me, Vany. Your friend Vany, you over big pussy follower, I'm out, fuck out. You over Vany, you over big pussy blood clot follower, I'm out, fuck out. You over blam them, all of them wanna like me, liar them, because all of them wanna like me, it's a blood clot around them, because them not like me, I look so if you pick a side. I can't like you. I die for saying I want blood clot coffin. I got to 2 R.I.P. a junker, yo. Just I want wicked blood clot, evil, ungrateful, so pussy liquor, but a dirty type of man. Ungratefulest person I have ever met in my whole entire life. How about time I slap your gap on you hungry and you sit with all of them that class me daily and think it cute. Pussy them on the day me never have a bumbo clot feed a batty boy. Me man like I'm a girl, I'm a pitney. Or suck your mama. You remember them days when I have to feed her when you're hungry? And buy your underpants and buy your clothes. And put them and make no bed feel like. But I never feel that you pussy over that blood clot out of your mouth. Some look a big pussy girl. But I'm feel a batty boy. And mine I give him a bumbo clot thing. You always look a stinking one gonna come style people blood clot pandis. Cause suck your mama. Think me done with her yet? Oh, you see me a ramp with me. Come I said it, you see the rage one that me feel. I say me hold my last word. That blood clot up on internet look a suck pussy cell wall girl. Well, rat and cat and mat fuck them. And I be a dungeon and them blood clot hole. I come blood clot, but I come blood this girl and them people. I like his kid. I like blood clot just when it's stinking Vany. Now you what the blood clot one was say. Me I make money pay, I'm trying to live somewhere more positive. Just so the blood clot live at all. When you are class blood clot, you put them a class jacks on them too. And some of them just a real batty boy.
Some people tell me what you think in the comment section. Make you watch some more.
Don't forget nothing. When I put up triple P them by Instagram, I put up Jake's blood clot on them too. And class. Them time they are breed. And me I do life. Don't get so. I'm back turn to the bed. You remember? And the suck pussy boy see it, I know it, you know. And that bun me and look up batty boy. No say. They get a evil and each up on the blood clot. It's all you blood clot, Jakes. Me say, see all blood clot you. Me say you gonna get a piece of beating in life. You go on about hobby and take you to blood clot. So you're ungrateful. Let you further. I want to play and turn over and crash with your blood clot before you reach back. I don't like a ball in your body. You're too evil. You don't remember when I was in the class, I put it over Instagram. So gonna talk about, oh, you like your mama bumbo clot. A cloud shall go pay a rent. Come young boy fuck them and I want to call them pussy big like well. The last time she come here in an argument, she said Shanchan and Barbara hungry. You put them hungry, I'm going to give them bone for Nyam. And them a dog. You can remember that? Me I tell her, say it's a life, on a wall. Some people will go, I avoid people, you know. I distance myself from mankind. So I say mankind is wicked and very unscrupulous. And everybody when them come around, them put on mask. And when they put on them blood clot mask, when they put on them mask, when they put on them blood clot mask, them God them can't trick the world. Everybody come around for pretend and use you. Cause all along in them objects, when I use me because you couldn't the blood clot the better. And I me have the change. Cause I say when the day when I can do better, this is your result. It's the day when you can do better, this is your result. The day when you can do better, this is your result. The day when you can do better, this is your blood clot result. Yeah. Because like you don't remember, I want one screen recording page. Fine. The screen recording Ivany said Jake spinning them Nyam bone. I make him see it. I say for the same way you're going now. She said them a dog, a bone me give them for Nyam. I'm saying for with the blood clot, a bone me give them for blood clot. And Jake's hours could them dinner give them. You forgot Jake's? You forgot to like Ivany class up in them. What are them class them? Cause them time everybody a look out, everybody a class them one another. Me a class fear and band, cause them the ice na band them time there. So me a class fear and band them a chat class man, so me on them a dog, a bone me give them for them. I forgot Jakes, me know you hear it. What are them class them? But what? You want to be friends with them so they can pick your side. That y'all look, you're looking at to pick your blood clots because you're evil. I say if I know say a boy want to hurt me in a real life, that you know say a boy want to hurt me in a real life, that friend a boy for hurt me. I never did real from day one. Sometimes I sit down and think in my head space and cry to myself and ask myself, which part of me and Jake's 12-year relationship did real? When I come on social media and say, friend, all of who me say bring me down, and all of who class me, I sit down and ask myself, at which point did real? Because I reach for your friend, all of my enemy them. At which point it the real? When I could have my money. And money I buy fuck. Smoke my money, drink up my money. Which part did none of it never really real. He's a sheep in a wolf clothing and a worthless cutlass. of a human being. And you will never further. You're not further than where your blood clot go. Never. You will never further because you're ungrateful. Never because you're ungrateful. Even a blood clot there when I chat to him, he beg me buy food over Mali. And when the food come at me first looking at it, because I throw pies that girl. So you easy can tame. And I know you are doing all of this on the internet for me to see you. And I see you. I do. In a tell Vanny that. You never tell Vanny so why they want me to come borrow my money. Why do you beg me buy food for over Mali? I could have 2 pies in night. We should have 2 pies in night. Pies in you. She wouldn't have one of a chat. You don't like me, I send me go buy food? Who are the wickedest subject? You don't like me, I send me go buy food? I want the food come and me cat come give you, and never tell nothing to do.
Some people in the year Rosealee I say the dog will never, you know what I mean, like prosper, nothing like that. So me try show them say, yo, you see baby mother, especially the bitter one them, the ex them, not even baby mother alone, like just ex in general. Them don't want to see them ex amount to nothing. You see me I say, they want to see the worst. All when you get picnic with the man, you want to see the worst of him. So now you them father that. Also, what if you not have it? You know want the youth them father have it. Boy, I tell them people, some woman them terrible so till them even want mash up even them youth. Boy, people tell me one thing, make you watch some more.
Don't tell me what to say. I could have thrown pies into it and give it to you. Because you don't like me and evident I can see it. So when they say I go buy the food, I could have throw pies and say this is your one man, eat it. I don't take it up and yam it and pies in a eat. Even the same person who me send go buy the blood clot food. No buy about them more because them know you involved in it. Them see your class me pay your daily. Jakes I'm mind you. You crash your uncle bank account, $250,000, a big pussy van did there. And all the way around got friend for carry me down. I feed you, I clothes, I buy you how much in boot. When I birthday, I give you money. I buy your underpants, I buy your clothes. It's a stinking dirty blood clot. It's a shit house, a toilet bowl cleaner. That's what you are. Ungrateful dog shit. Just you have teaching me that a man can do and pretend him love you for years and him know why you are blood clot. So I'm not fool with no boy. Oh. So don't take me fool. You have teaching me that a man can down a woman for years and don't even like a bone in her stinking body and still each other for something because him can't do better. And to the day when you can do better, your true colors will show that you weren't genuine from the get-go. Because if you're the genuine rate your baby mother, when it does come on TikTok, you would friend nobody with your classmate daily. That's it, yo. I look at me, I really want a friend to come. I really want a friend for only, you know, come to class, my baby mother daily. And then I see it up in our friend when them start to mix your own. And when them start to mix your own, when them start to mix your own from them, when they start to mix you, your own, them all send a video on me in my house. For sure say, I want to call a batty boy, you do anything for money. And say, oh, I'm going to give a lawyer fee. You never genuine from the get-go, you was a pretender. So you can't pretend for me no more, because I find out who you are. I said, when I put my friends with a boy real face, and me I tell the world he's a shit house. But who? Because truth never do they like a person is a person, you know. You know, you know. Someone does talk because what? You hate me. But someone don't know the real goddamn truth. Jakes are ungrateful dog shit. My mind you. When I'm tin mackerel alone for days. When I wear one slippers, when I use one bin blood clot rag, when I use one bin soap, when I use one bin rag and one bin blood clot soap, my mind to the key. From a day I tell me I mind till me left. I never have it yet because I met you poor and pauperized. I don't have shit. Just so I know you have 3 blood clot pants, you have 4 top. And you never smell good yet. You ever smell whole. I'm clean you up. All the bumper here, so you'd have a big stinking bumper, so we grow up as a 50,000 like cost me. And you're slung over, you're slung on TikTok video with the fly, them. And they're flies. You ever, who remember when you have the big stinking boil? Need post up over here one at a time. The big stinking boil, yeah, so. I mean, a 50,000 cost me, plus medication. And you sit down with the big head. You sit down on TikTok with the big head, blue fly, them. That's what I mean, around you. Let me see you. You will never find a blood clot woman with a genuine to you like I'm genuine to you. Never. Never find anybody like me. Never. I want to search the whole bumbo clot world. Watch. Oh. Never find a bitch like me. Never. I want to walk and search the world. You see you ungrateful batty boy. You think me like you? Chat me when you go to cement work. I mean, I watch 2 look up piece of clothes him. I watch just do film look up 2 piece of tack work. Him barely have money. I mean, watch 2 piece of clothes. I remember one time the shirt dirty, I take it and wash it. Cement work, I take it and wash it in my hand. I don't even come back social media, come lose my opinion for the cloud. I don't even use your name for the cloud. I talk truth, come and look cloud. I top girl. I have never came on this motherfucking net and say don't cook their opinion and wash them clothes. Said. Yeah, man, you don't come and get opinion and breakfast a man time. If I don't provide the breakfast, who provide it? You helping me with homework if I don't buy the book. We're gonna do the homework now. If I don't buy the uniform, how they go to school? If I don't, how they go to school? You know, tell them something that no. You just talk off, you look at pussy mouth, kite go everywhere. If Rosealee don't buy the breakfast, them don't eat breakfast. And if she don't provide dinner, they don't eat that dinner. And if she don't provide
worthless, dirty mother Rose. Eh? You talk everything for the woman where Jakes there with no want him. Allah ya tell. The woman say I know I hear everything. So what you go say? You say Nyam your back, you say Nyam your crutches, you say no beard, you saying this. Now you come out come say him wear underpants for 4 days. And my man could have also have under one underpants for 4 days till all him hooded full of cheese. Rose. So how much dare you go bed and a bed with your dirty crutches and your old stink like for dead meat in a dirty drawers, Rose? How about if we ask you the same question, Rose? How much days you got your bed no bed and you think? What if the man for come out come talk them there's something there to Rose? You think a talk Jakes can't talk? You think a talk Jakes can't talk? You think a opening can open him out? If Jakes open him out, the whole on the panda live at the 930 I go call Jakes Batman and Sissy. If the man come out and open him out and start to spit fire after your Rose, shame I tell you have to run off of this blood clot net here. And you know the man can't do it to Rose. At 12 years of dirt him have upon you too. Then the whole I wanna go call him and Sissy, Lord, Jakes never do it time, baby mother. Lord, but yo, you should have glad see us so Jakes stay. Jakes is a gentleman. Regardless of how you no want shot the man can.
My people, can you believe the thing Rosalie has about the man? So here me have to say, people. So if you have say them thing about the man, what that say about you? You say me as I can remember you live with the man, you know, and I hear him wrap up with a night time, you know. You see me? So that means I told in the love for me then. How the blows ask you, yo, people boy me I tell you, them, woman we do anything and say anything to bring down them man, you know. I don't know say them a bring down themselves to, you know. Jaja. People tell me what you think in the comment section. We can watch some more.
No for uno, there with some dirty, disgraceful man. Well, uno can't even ramp with no man on the yard. Man up in the mouth, take y'all. You see Jake come here so come discriminate this dirty cow yet? You see Jake come here so come talk certain things about Rose yet? Jake is a gentleman. And that uno for blood clot, no? No for uno there with some dirty, disgraceful man. Where we all come a road, come cuss, you know? And with all where Rosa do Jakes and no Jakes no come out come address you dirty Rose. But me say provocation make dawg nyam boy nyam. Provocation continue provoking man until you see the man come out you say really put on a dark glass and open him out in a camera. Then you go see who I go shame Rose. You think so because you have certain things about the man blood clotted you think so the man can't talk? If the man go down, Rose, remember say you blood clot going down and me know what me a talk about. How about that? So anything you think happen the dude, you going down too. You had the audacity coming to talk about the man van where Jake's crash. Which part Jake's come from with the van when the crash Rose? We cannot tell everybody. Tell the people where the Jake's come from with the van when the blood clot van crash, no man. I want you girl, you want to go back with shit? Or you want me to just move on to the next? Tell the people them. We just come from where the van when they crash, pussy. Why just have a drive out in blood clot, uncle or cousin or whoever van in the drive? Tell the net no man. Bamba wall. Tell the net no. You want me to go back in a blood clot time? Yeah girl, me know more than your bamba clot think. I chum is a girl I easy my mouth. Learn that. You hear that? Me know more than you think me know, Rose. Okay. Leave the youth alone. Leave the youth alone. Make the youth breeze. You come say you know you know that when ugly man talk to a blood clot hawks and say what kind of ugly man this way you go fuck? After you know good looking. Any nice blood clot brown boy will take your Rose is a man and on a bumble clot ambition because you're not attractive in a clothes, not to mention when you take off clothes, man I go run from blood clot to Rose because you know shape good. So seeing your blood clot naked at Jakes alone come out the trunk for you. Handsome shit you pretend with you because of money. Handsome shit you pretend with you because of the money, the millions you make. Him not genuinely want you, Rose. You hard for look on in a clothes, not to mention when your blood clot naked now your bumble clot, pumpkin bumble clot skirt and your toony loony bumble clot t-shirt pussy. I think a dressing that in your character toony loony hoony poony whatever front up on the blood clot t-shirt and pumpkin skirt and blood clot sneakers. You think I dress that? You think I dress in that pussy? Catch your blood clot naked. Go put on a blood catch you naked no man. You sick blood clot stomach. You think a henny man I go carry go in a blood clot bed Rose. There's no way upon you, there's nothing attractive about you. More than your blood clot bank account. Right about now. And a TikTok money. Since as you want people go down the line and describe you can't come tell me something thinking of girl. Come, when I'm time to think of hot water we be with, me tell you that already. Hot water. And when we buy body wash, we buy 3 and 4 and 6. That means to say when one run out, we not run out. Plus we have bath soap. Plus we have dishwashing liquid. Plus we have blood clot laundry detergent. So we have whole person can be with. Hello? So me can't think, so you can't tell me something. And if you tell me say you old Rose, you're not live for say 57 batty girl. For a bad mind I go kill you. You're not live for say 57 Rose. Bad mind I go kill you. Pussy. Remember me tell you. So stop telling me something old. Duh, next year I'm 58. Healthy as ever. Duh. Nobody and body scrub. Bright out there. Leave the youth. Look at the man's shirt. The man over saw with a new pum pum. Cleaner pum pum, tighter pum pum, fatter pum pum. What wrong with you? The man can't do what he want, the Rose. The man obligated to you. The man can't play with whoever he want to play with. He can't play with Vani. He can't play with Kiki. He can't play with this. He can't play with that because of you. You don't control the man anymore. The table's turn, Rose. You don't control Jakes any fucking more. You don't control the man anymore, Rose. Leg off of the youth. Blood clot shirt, no shake off of blood clot youth, no man. Fuck wrong with you. You have talking of the youth life. You have talking of the youth life, Rose. The man have to say, oh, Rose, me meet a girl and she want to fly me out. No, hell no, I'm not have to tell you. Me or your cousin's man is saying no tell Shanta. Me not wrong him for no tell Shanta. Shanta not going to tell you. It's okay. He's coming back. So he'll see his kids. The man not obligated to tell you shit. How much mothers step on this up? I go put up and tell Rose, say Rose correct. You wanna tell me no man how much I uno got step on this up and I tell me say uno constant. I tell Rose say it is okay for Rose to behave uno is a dog shit. Uno stink like Rose dry seat. Uno live up in a Rose pum pum like termite and bacteria. If uno tell me say it is okay for Rose to go on this way she a go on. And there's no mother at all. No good mama now go do that. And no good mother now go sit down and sit. No daughter-in-law, no baby mama treat them son so. You crazy? Enough mother would have come fight out your blood clot and beat you already, Rose. I mean, I ask Christ that. Enough mama would have come kick you down and batter up your blood clot for them son. You crazy? You crazy? Enough mama would have silenced your blood clot already. Cause me and one of them would have silenced you, Rose. You sit down and you do the youth all kind of blood clot shit. I know the youth gonna take a look at blood clot breeze. And you still did kill the youth, Rose. And people stand and say, hello. Because Rosie upset. Rosie upset on a bomb clot. Where Rosie did a blood clot attack. And I said that say, when you want to play and crash with the youth. When they did a talk about say Rosie upset. And none of uno because uno sit down with us about no stinking self of a back-ass bomb clot corner. Dirty people them here chat to uno. Uno sit down over there and tell Rosie if you stop it. Because you don't want the likes and the blood clot and card for clean. Me say FBI now no nasty bomb clot over that. FBI now no. Member Sweet and Sassy tell you that. You hear that? You sit down over there and talk about say, oh because Rosie upset on a bomb clot. Tell the girl say she wrong. Rosie you can't say plane for crash with people with Jakes. And the Jakes alone a come on a blood clot private aircraft. Not to mention Jakes a fly plane himself. Not in a fly by itself. Somebody pick me a fly that shit. So all y'all say plane for crash with it. And I think a joking thing with the pan. Evil you fuck egg girl. Go away. We no blood clot like you. FBI pound a bomb clot on this pussy hole. You no wait. Them watching. Private eyes watching on them nasty bomb clot. Even too late for you to stop. Them already I see on a long time. Fuck wrong with you now. Leave the youth alone. Make a youth breathe. Make a youth breathe, Road. Make him breathe. Make him go. You fly go Panama. Jakes never come cuss. When you go Panama, Jakes it come cuss. Jakes come say, oh, she fly out gone left Shanta and Barbara. A man never care about your Rose. You fly to the batty boy. Jakes it care? No. So why now the man fly out and you have a blood clot problem? Bitter girl, Kerry. The girl a bitter girl. Why you have a problem? If I did some girl them come beat up your blood clot for them brother. If I did some girl them beat up gang you and beat you up for them brother Rose. Because the man now come out come talk. If you there with the man
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, because you go on. This is my opinion and everybody is entitled to one. That no means you're truth, you see me, but you go on, my people. I think that Akeem don't want Rosalie. You see me, I say big man thing. Me feel like say yo, him run her for whatever reason him run her for, but for love, no, I don't think love did it. So you see, because people, the man, remember, you know, look at me now, say a man maybe have a preference and like when him sip on rose and you know, me not saying impossibly, you know, but me I talk about my opinion. Me not feel like saying more and that. You see me, because watch out, my people, the man have money, that a number one, and him can get almost any girl. You see me I say? So why him would have circle for Rosalie? Rosalie nav nobody. You see me I say? And me know Yardman tan. Yardman love girl we cock up. You see me I say? So I want to tell me what you think, my people. Make you watch some more.
If me there with my man, bust up her face, black princess, kick out her teeth, girl would have beat you for them, brother. And because Jake's mother, I just want to look a simple mother, Rose. Take it, me tell you that shit. You buck up on a real mother, nothing now go so. You pussy, all you. Leave the youth alone. The youth there with somebody else, make him live him life. You move on with handsome blood clot shitty and a mother Annie. That is okay. The youth have to have a life. Him have to meet somebody. He meet a woman we fly him out. We don't give a shit if I even blood clot Cuba and there's still a plane him taking gonna run and walk. And to taxi not go there. Make him go on where him go live him life and enjoy him life. Make him breathe. Wham you. Come on and remind you about him pass. A person's pass is them pass, Rose. Your pass or your blood clot pass. God forgive you of all your sins and he gone. Why you living at the youth pass? Why? We don't want you to remind us. We don't give a fuck. The man move on. You still want him? You don't say you don't want him? So now why you come now attack?
And at the end of the day, you have to beg for attention. Every day you come up. Because let me tell you what your problem. You know what your problem? Let me tell you why you not let go yet. Let me tell you why you haven't let go yet. Because me I go give you 2 cents, you know. Me I give you 2 cents in this. Because me and you know say the boy no want you. But guess why you keep hanging on? Because you're trying to prove to us. I know you know because you know. You know. Because you're a street girl and I know you're street smart. So I know you have like a street sense. But it's no longer about you. It's about us, the audience. Yeah, try convince us, you know. Because remember, behind closed door, you see what time it is. You know the boy not answer your call. You know you're not upon no time. You understand me? Because I don't know which boy could have started date me and take me out on 2 dates and that is it. Me never see him again. Huh? Eh? You the pan side like you're fried plantain or you're macaroni and cheese. Which one is it? And you're that girl. You see, if you have that girl, I'm supposed to enter your space. Remember when me just meet my son father, you know? Me almost lose my work. I was a banker. And I almost lose my work. That time, my son father live in Mandeville and media town. And me just get my bank work. And let me tell you something. The boy was an engineer. Yeah? And me work a half a tree. Me live at Portmore at the time. And every Friday, him left Mandeville and catch a Portmore before me. How that work out? Sometimes I feel say, oh, what do this man doing, so? How do him? I want to ever stay setting for me. One night time, 1 week we no go work, I was lock up in a house. Pam 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 pam. Me wonder if he may not got done it. This a boy I really come for done it. Huh? And you got tell me, say, a man we're into you. You have to make appointments. You have to book time. You have to ask him the question them over and over. So tell me something. You like me? At your big old age, we come off a calendar and come off a speedometer. You want to ask if man still like you. So you don't know when man like you? You don't know when man like you? For a girl who used to hustle and sell the goods, you don't know when somebody into you. You're supposed to know. Because even if you are selling pan the corner, if it's sweet on Monday, he might go become a regular customer. You go see him every Friday, every Saturday, every Sunday, every Monday, every Tuesday. So you go tell me, you don't know when man like you? You have to go up in a labubu face. So you're special. Something is wrong with you.
Front in Cherry Northeast Corner.
Something is horribly wrong with you. Right? Me not ask no boy if you love me. If me can't see with them two big ol' yaya, say you love me, you don't love me. Right? Because love is not a feeling. Love is an action. It's what you do. Okay? So since you don't know and you need somebody to tell you, no, he don't love you. And no, he don't want you. And it's as simple as that. And you can come beat with tomorrow and beat with the fact.
Hey, as far as me know, I understand about love. Love is a feeling. So when this girl talk about love is an action. What you talk about? What kind of action? You mad? Love is a feeling, virgin. What type of action love is? Because me sure say people can do everything where she are going to explain the actions that she are going to explain that is love. I'm sure say a person can do all of that and still don't love you. Love is a feeling, virgin. Don't make nobody fool you, yeah? It's a feeling, it's an emotion. You see it? Let me know what you think.
Still remain, him don't want you and him don't love you. So all when you stand up like a tree at chart and your cuss and your windpipe drop out and your mouth lip dry up and your teeth them start to tear, him still not gonna want you. And don't get me wrong, let me tell you something, and I hope this will make you feel better. Rosealee, it's not a you problem. You're not the reason why the boy not like you. It's not a you problem. It's a la boo-boo problem. It's not a you problem, you know. It's a la boo-boo problem. So don't blame yourself, sweetheart. It's not because of your weight. It's not how you look. It has nothing to do with that. Them things that might contribute, but that's not it. That's not it. Just because you're just not in the Labubu family, you don't fit in the Labubu family. That's what it is. It has nothing to do with you, Rosealee, darling. Yes, we know how you can stay aggy. We know your behavior. We've seen it all. But at the end of the day, I know that. Can't remember say enough chromas girl there road. And if you can't let chromas girl, then we know say it's not a woman problem. It don't have a woman problem. It's a Labubu problem. And him alone is only Labubu know what Labubu wants. So I hope that will help you to feel a little bit better. Because it has nothing to do with you. Okay? So stop blaming yourself, sweetheart, and stop going around in the bushes like, oh my God, why not me? I give him all my money. I put gas in his bike. Oh my God, I put him up on the ranking. Me give the boy some exposure. Me do this for the boy. I love the boy. It don't matter, sweetheart. You gotta take out your heart and give it to him. It's not gonna change. Again, it's not a you thing. It is a Labubu thing. Labubu wants what Labubu wants. And that is it right there.
Team,
be careful. You see how she disgrace her baby father. You see she not have no limit with the things that come out her mouth. You already got a dose the other day. Remember when she spaz out and you never want to give her the time of the day and you hold yourself so away from her because you say you don't really like how she go on? You remember how she carry on? You remember how she carry on and she said she want to tab up her pit them and tab up her man and burn down the house? Who the people them I blame now? You. Them even gone back in a Naya case to reopen it. Crosses. You need to know when your life align with crosses. She'll make people depend on your name and them now blame the warthog for your own actions. Them a blame you. Nobody now thinks that the warthog and make money too. No, them a watch any of the little tricklings them. What you a get, cause clearly you are buffoon. You know for make money cause you know no use for. Uncle Rose alone must make the money. You have an account, she have an account. It is obvious to people and she use her mouth talk all the while. If me want 50,000 or if me want 100,000 I can call upon Akeem. So why is it that so much people have a problem if Akeem benefits from some coins? Which brings me to your conversation and your statement. Where was the statement? Positive. That brings me to your conversation. You said, but Zandra, he pushing himself with her for coins. And we know that's a lie. The first time when those kids were taken and he went to visit her, who was insisting that the series must continue? Was it Akeem or Rose? I will wait for the answer in the chat. Answer the question. Who said the series done? Who did one continue the series? Akeem or Rose? Thank you. I would love if you participate as well, Miss Positive. I would love if you participate. Positive T, I would love your participation in this question. Since you raised the conversation, you know, and I'm having the conversation with you because I mean, you know, if that's how you feel, that's how you feel. Because I have my feelings with things too, and I share my opinion. And just like how me share my opinion, you're supposed to can share your opinion and we reason it out. You understand? I think money, my girl. I'm afraid now hearing, not looking deep. Girl, it's not a good look. Trust me. Stunning official. Mark my word, Akeem, if you don't leave from around Rose, and I'm not saying this, I would have said it long ago, if you don't move and change up your atmosphere. Remember I understood that day, I tell you, you know? But just never go down into the details. But I'm telling you no, because I don't want you to say to God, Jesus, God, you didn't even make somebody even tell me. Me, not Zandrama, me, Zandrian May. You hear me, Akeem? Me, Zandrian May. I'm not even talk about no Zandrama no more. This is how serious it is. I said, if you don't pull up from around Rosealee, change up and you understand what I'm saying? You're going to regret it big time. Either prison or 6'6". You can't say me never tell you. This is not something that I'm wishing on you. This is something that I foresee. I hope you have a backup plan. I really hope you have a backup plan or a way how to exit from out of this. Because trust me, she will be bitter. Remember, she didn't bring up your name, so you're a batty man and this whole thing with TikTok lawyer and rate, you know. Remember, she did have said, then this kind of serious. I'm not gonna left my baby father for much years, mama, and she big up Rose over you. She big up Jakes over you. Then she changed back her mouth again. She changes like the weather. You have to be careful of people who are switchy so. When a person's with their baby father for 12 years, yes, You might be upset. Yes, you might have gone through things, but there are certain things where you not go to the detail if you tell people. You must use that example, how she treat the man, what she did with for 12 years, what she claims she have picnic with, how she speaks about that man, how you think she gonna speak about you, look at you, treat you, or think of you when it's your time. Wake up.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. And let me know if it's that serious. Like what this female here said. Like I came for Jap Rosealee company. You see, tell me people, because I don't think it's that serious. And Rosealee herself never get in a bad situation, no danger, no nothing. So why him for watch out for her? People, let me know what you think. Cause it come like me miss something.
Wake up, Akeem. Akeem, wake up. Because if you don't wake up now, you're not going to wake up later. Prepare. Let me tell you again. Me say if you don't wake up now, you're not going to wake up later. And there shall be weeping and mourning and gnashing of teeth. You hear what I'm saying? Okay. I just can't get rid of him. People have to be very careful. When I have friends, I say, hey, you know something I like? I like you, you know? I don't like no blood clot friend run them joke with me. You see, when it come on to jokes, don't run those fucking jokes with me. You see, if you run them joke with other people and them skin them teeth. I hate the girl and I hate her. Don't bumble clot do that. Death and life is in the power of the tongue. You can't run them the joke with me. So anybody at all that's going to say, I just can't get rid of him. Also, don't just look at the statement. She just look into things. I just choose she and the girl now deal. I say, okay. Let me take it up from my trip. Let me lock it up back in my body.
Go up on the road, child.
Rascal, I trio you. Chat me soon, come please. Come merge and break. Chat me soon, come please. Come merge and break. 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 Come merge and
But you must share the Buckley life. At 2.5K that. Enough is enough. I'm out.
in your body. You're too evil. I'm crushed with your blood before you reach back. I don't like a ball in your body. You're too evil.
So now go tell me now, say. I that the girl don't send on the money go give no. I she on a blood clot clean shit. Me say Liti, me say wait man. Me say she on a clean shit and I give on a blood clot harder and money no. You know how much I own parents and family member I go come back on a plane with Jakes on a thing Jakes gonna foreign gonna live forever. And Rose want a plane for crash. Your bumper clot girl back at you. Remember say you soon board a blood clot plane in a Rose, we know. And we want the same thing to happen to you. Before you go up on the step and want you drop down Rose. You too outside and evil girl. Go away. Go away, man.
You know see Chevy gone over there got sucking cock. See how you with passport? Me tell you say you nah see what go up on the app. You go dip on the blood clot app and go live. Watch the app. You know see what the app I do? Me pussy clot.
Loco.
Kiki gonna look. You gonna see Pitney with a big virgin ticket. You don't even have a whore ticket and she have a virgin ticket.
I a long time over.
You see it now? I see him over there suck out one another. Go and go cuss him. Cuss the girl. You can't just make one blood clot girl body where a melt take for your man, so you look how your body tight and dip on your bone. And you make one girl with your body have a plastic. Go with your bone.
I must clip me, it's not real.
That is real. You don't see the fucking virgin ticket. Mirrors clot.
I think.
I same thing we think, darling.
So well I know when you last hear from Jake's.
This morning.
The two blood clot like.
The two pussy clot like.
We talk this morning.
You feel hear from your man 7 times a day. In a different country. You sleep with him on the phone at night time?
Yes, me just not give him break to get business done.
You don't sleep on no phone.
True proof.
True proof. Oh, we know how long is them they call it because people sleep for 8 or 9 hours. Let me see it. You up on the phone with him for the you say him a cheat.
So I don't feel like every man give on.
Kiki, you should have fucked him before he left. Man are creatures who like pussy. If you not run no pussy, them a go to who and run it. Or the bumbo clap.
Well, Jake's gone deal with him business to come back to me now.
Him gonna fuck pussy cause you not run none. You don't know what's pussy.
I'm business in Gando.
Jayden, talk to this mad woman now. Quick up, bad bro.
Mama, hold on for the clout.
Jayden, talk to him, Jayden. And you don't see Penny in front of you. Go like him a fool.
Jax will never cheat on me.
You know, so me slum up here and I'm bedded right now. Tapping eyes, mama rich. Me could come go and fucking sit there go fight. You idiot. You the first you get man to watch. You know do a good job and you watching a man. Me not like this feel. You want me talk to him from morning? Why am I doing now? What is he doing now, Mama Rich?
You think Jax will ever cheat on me? He's gonna come
Him been a fuck on him baby mother for years. Breed girl on her. What the fuck you think? True you no big sour and think? No, baby girl. From mother blood clot cheater, them a cheater.
But he's gonna come back right here to me.
Boy, Jayden, me can't believe you now open up in years old. Go and go watch him, man. Mama Rich, he now do the right thing.
Some people buy a ticket.
You need to go up there. He might lie. You're making gone over there in a St. Vincent pussy. What is wrong with you? Jamaica pussy never die. You go represent for our culture. Bring
everything. So I feel like everything I born.
You born me again.
Guys, on the thing I get born.
You get born.
Jamaican men don't cheat. Pretty bad.
Jesus Christ.
Pretty bad. Jamaican men don't cheat.
Yes.
Jamaican men are the most loyal man in the universe. They don't cheat.
Well, Mama Rich, me want to see your feet. You see feet you have in your chest and your heart, baby. Me want.
When my man left, he said, "Babes, me love you. Just know say I queen and I done life. I go deal with my business and my soul come back. Just go and hold it ground. And that me I do. So I don't know what all kind of negative energy I tell me what my man I do from my man now do. Jakes will never cheat on Kiki. He's gonna come back right here to me. First he was Vaughn, I told you.
I'll begin that. Hey, I'll begin that.
That's you.
Jayden.
What do you mean, Jayden? I'll begin that.
So yeah, try tell me, say Jayden.
Let me tell you what you have to go do now. Give away pussy. Give away.
Give me.
You see, Jayden, if you fuck Jayden right now, we must fly in back today. If you say, all right, let's say I'm going to Jayden yard right now, I need some comfort. You
No, we can't go have a drink, Jayden.
No, you have to go in yard. A drink now, go make him come home. You have to go to Jayden yard. Go be there with him and chill. And drink a juice over there. Over him yard. Make sure it's a GXC and I'm bed lay down and drink the juice.
No. I I saw quick me I go give bun and my man not give me a reason.
Over there giving cocky
But listen, pretty done. Every man give bun, no man no liar. Like, at least he not pushing on my face and me a stress out.
Boy, me give up.
Every man give bun. So I saw quick me I go give me man bun, me nah do it. My man love me. He will have fun with other girls, but he will come right back to me.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. So we can officially say GX and Kiki is not together. It was just for the internet. You see me? So we can watch some more, my people.
We score charts.
Y'all don't believe that?
So what you say, as long as he ma bring back his cocky to you, you're good.
And the respect, did me I get the respect and the cocky and the money.
So if him a fuck and nothing.
That's the least, all men cheat.
So come give Jayden look like pussy because if I so be the case.
No men cheat. No men cheat, women don't cheat.
So Jayden a girl, Jayden a man. So go
no,
see
but what man
Jayden a man.
Do. No, but if I follow what my man do, I will never be a lady.
You not follow what him do because Jayden going to push hood in here. You don't have no hood for pushing on nobody.
No, bro, she pushing at Jayden, but because Jayden love me push.
We not need the brush. We do that already and we find out so I don't hit that. Right now, we want to push for we brush. You know you talk about brush. Your man there St. Vincent a chow one different girl right now, you know. I'm sorry for you.
Me not get no bun cause me not dream see it.
I want the blood a Job. Your blood clot Job. You
one thing my mama give me bun, me I got dream see it, and if I not dream see it, that mean me not get bun.
Call GX right now and say what you doing, babe?
No, my man called me 5 minutes ago. Why me I go call him again? Give him space.
5 minutes ago I was on this live, so that's a lie.
You feel I too funny have me there.
So you should have never deal with
your fuck.
Call back.
Wait, what? I too funny have.
Call back. Call back, no? Baby girl, you see when you're a wife, you can call any amount of time. You see my wife will call me 100,000 times, you answer 100,000 times. You understand me? Good. Call baby girl, cause you're a wife. And you're the queen in a deck. Call.
It does say calling. No ringing, so it come like when going service, no service no day.
Oh, the blood clot eat that.
Me have to wait till the phone come like in there. So I remember say in a one whole different country, so no service.
Maybe you mute that.
No, we have time to wait for him to answer. Call. Call, text, send him a voice note. Say, BMs, pretty done said, you over there burning me with the pitney war melt. When him, Shelly, said, pretty done said, you go to him now, tell him.
Baby.
Sex, pretty done said, you over there suck Chevy pussy. Tell him some missy.
Babe, pretty done said, you are over there with Chevy eating crutches.
I she a heat back for him.
No, I said me forgot left my man. Me nah do it. Me nah do it. Me nah bother do it.
No. Let me say something to you real quick and say, you know say you're not confident in yourself as a wife.
With what?
You know you lose me. Really, me I tell you, you're scared. That means that you're not first lady then.
Scared for what? So where me I go make big when you have a man that don't allow outsiders to come in your relationship. So why not try to do me and my man go in a war, me and my man in a peace? I don't allow nobody in my relationship.
How you doing today, Queen?
But the girl where you allow for your chai him up like bubble gum over St. Vincent, alright though.
Did you see that out of your eyes?
Yes, me blood clot see him. They call me from blood clot phone and me watch them fuck. Yeah, me see them.
Send me video.
Me never video it. I just watch. Cause me a freak. So me just sit and watch them a fuck.
Well, me I don't know wife already, you know, me not care.
So the ring me say you know business if other girl get some of the cock.
No, as long as he come back home to me and I'm my wife.
Double guys.
My side gonna shoot him down. Me not
From
like
last
him.
one, Jayden did a gift for me, but with a different girl.
What?
He tried 2 times. When Jayden did the... When
Yo, you see me go fuck Jayden right now? Level the playing field, girl.
double guys, use the double shot.
Go and go level the playing field. Shan, me I tell you girl to go get Jayden some pussy. The only way you can get your lick back. In these times you can't make boy you fuck punch.
When you see the man, I do nothing at all.
Me never know so you stay. Me never know. Me never know.
Like you don't want me to crash out on him, man.
What you mean? Go and light in your house of fire right now.
Sharon is scared. My man come far away, make him enjoy a little stay.
Go down to the house where I make and go root up the whole of the block them when put down in there already. You don't know what to deal with, man.
Well, me not see my give me bonus so I don't go say what kind of confirmation you have
Yeah, somebody go cut down and steal them from out of blood clot house where I make you that. You cannot make man a bright up themselves with their like a
I'm a pussy woman.
10 rose my side of one finger. What you mean? You don't see woman post her blood clot self with passport in hand. But virgin and she fuck out like dog.
Come on, guys. Everybody's saying I want to.
I don't like her style. Bumba wood. Kiki!
Yeah.
Look how Kiki, look at me. Look at you, Jayden. You see how you look like a nice couple already. Fuck Jayden right now and him boy have to know him bumbo clad self. If you give Jayden some pussy today, by tonight he reach back in a blood clad place a ball.
Alright people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Let me watch some more.
Guys, this is a good. Me have to go left jet, so man stress me over him too much.
What you mean? Because you allow him for your fuck and you not give Jayden the pussy, a joke thing. You can't make man a fuck while you not fuck back.
Use the double, guys. Me stress out.
That's that. Wait, hold on now. Hear me, baby girl. Hear me, baby girl. Hear me. You hear me, sweetheart? Call the blood clot man and demand him location. So send me a location now. Send me a location. I'll be right there. Cool it.
Double, guys.
You think a man hate to know a girl hate girl, bro?
You said this every day.
Una like show your bumbo clad Kiki a cuss. Why the fuck una try get a hype una look, bro? We still not like una over your dog. I tell you, bro. You see it?
Double,
Too
guys,
big fuck out to that girl, bro. Our views you know want, bro. Stop, bro. I'm not get the views them, bro. You still not get no gift, bro. Lord the girl alone, bro.
Double,
what the fuck do you?
But if I
nobody dog.
Everything, if I sing about everything, me and follow
no man never fuck before me
that
bro.
Match at night time. No other night, me I say Fallon where you ever grind it craziest and laugh. Bro, yo.
I'm rub on teeth, I'm in a rub on teeth, bro. All if TikTok never there, bro. Me still have my subject there. A bank manager me did one go turn dog. You see it? Remember that, bro. If TikTok for crash right now, bro, I mean I no money right now, bro. Me can't go look at work, bro. I tell you that, bro. On the low the girl alone, bro. What the fuck, why not take set for the girl for? Why not take set for the girl for what? For what? For what, bro? For what? For what? Bro, we don't no content, dog. Fallon. Ride or die. We don't no content, youth. We don't nobody, dog. You see it? Me never saw no come up and make a video yet. Me never saw no entertain nobody yet. Me never saw no make nobody smile yet. Every day no come on the internet a cuss and a tear out to the mouth. And bro, that is not entertainment, bro. Company up and make one difference. Every day Kiki make our people them laugh. I mean I ask that. Every fucking day. When them not like her or whatever them say she's annoying, bro, them still a watch her, bro, because them find her entertaining, bro. I tell bro, all if Kiki no reach nowhere in a life, bro, uno still no better than her, bro. I tell that. You see it? Uno still no better than her, bro. I tell me, bro, uno better than her, bro. Stop going like uno better than her, bro. Uno nobody, dog. I tell that youth. Uno nobody, youth. Don't feel like someone can diss a girl, dog. Uno nobody, youth. I want Sam already, dog. Because if a girl come up with that thing, bro. Just if a girl come up with that thing, bro, I thought about me say me go grape her or whatever, bro. Make it look like Sam me say me go grape, bro. That's why I tell Slime, brother, if that girl ever come to Jamaica, yo, Slime, you better stay far from me, youth. Come in now, make you get me in a batty hole, dog. I tell that, bro. Me now make you get in a batty hole, dog. You see it? Me got a station for your fuckery already, bro.
My name Kiki.
Me I love you from afar, bro. You turn over this, bro, and me turn over yes, dog. And tell you, bro. You see it? No, I couldn't want to count this girl, bro. I'm telling you, dog. You can't this girl. You know nobody, man.
Nobody.
Follow you nobody. Right, you nobody. Who will be? Where you get name from? Bro, no sick stomach, you fuck, dog. No sick stomach, you fuck. And it just keep up, bro. It just, yo. It just a bother me, dog. Bro, what would I want share do? If share cost the girl, bro, make share cost the girl, bro.
Double guys.
Them bumbuckler people there. Not like them, bro.
Double guys. Thanks, guys. Thanks, everybody. Double guys.
You know why? Let me tell you something. Follow me. Let me tell you why I know you can't diss me. You can't diss me, now. She no can't diss you, now. You know why I can't diss she, bro? Because the people them love me, dog. That's why I can't diss me, bro. The people them love me, dog. That's why I can't take a sip on me, because the people them love me, youth. You see me, I say? That don't mean I can't take sip on Kiki, bro. I'm not still nobody, dog. I tell you. I'm not nobody, bro. I'm not nobody, dog. What kind of work I put in, youth? What kind of work I put in, dog? What kind of work I put in, bro? Tell me work I put in. Show me work I put in. Go make a content right now. Make people laugh, bro. Make people laugh. All you do, bro, all you do, accompany bumbuckler internet if you try drag down other girls, bro. And a man in not drag down, you know. A woman in not try drag down, bro. And so now, woman, dog.
Come on, everybody scenarios, guys. 17 different person, guys.
Who not drag down, woman, dog, and so now, woman, youth.
Everybody scenarios, guys. 17 was quick and fast. Come on, guys.
This is not jealous of Kiki, you know, dog.
Everybody scenarios, guys. Sensorious, guys. Come on.
This is not jealous of Kiki, you know, youth.
No.
I tell that, you know. You're not jealous of Kiki, you know, youth. I tell that, you know. I'm not jealous of Kiki, you fuck. Them gyal are not share friend, you know.
Double guys.
Them gyal are not share friend, you know. Me nah ask that, you know. Them gyal are not share friend, you know.
Double guys.
I mean, no share, know that, you know.
Thanks, guys.
Them gyal are not share friend, you know, bro.
Thanks,
all them can do a company media. Well, alright. You know a power run share. Alright, you know so not power run share. Why not take some qualities from share? If you like a everyday share company media and a blood clot cost. Why not take 2 book out of bumbo class share book? I was try pick pan girl, dog. I was try pick pan people, dog. Bro, row about on yourself, dog. Worry about on yourself. One shape like blood clot creeping here, and one shape like blood clot fridge. No make sense. No make sense, bro. We don't know no, dog. You see it? We don't know no, bro. We don't stop going like we don't want to pick upon the girl, dog. Lord the girl alone, bro.
I'm mute, Jayden, but guys, I know the funniest thing about everything too. Them say me is a silent bully, which me not understand Fallon, because evil rider them here say tomorrow you go see Kiki come back like nothing never happen. You see me the pretti, if ask anybody I run joke, me not bully nobody at all. To them I come run stiff joke, we don't know. Tomorrow you hear me, morning Miss Rider die or anybody you good and just start again. It's just a joke thing, me don't know why it's so personal. We in our box at night time.
And look, and Kiki, bro, me I tell her, bro, Kiki didn't take nothing serious, bro. I tell you, bro. Kiki didn't take nothing serious, bro. But them bitcha, them two bitcha, them take it serious, you know. Them two bitcha. I saw no make food, dog. In our work, you know. Cause nobody still not give you, you know, bro. In our work, you know. Una sister, change up on the style. In our work, darling.
Oh, you reach over this and I bring down this and that, blah, blah, blah. Me never take nothing serious yet. Me frightened.